Hindi pa man nagsisimula ang direct at cross-examination sa ika-14 na araw ng impeachment trial, ay naging mainit na ang palitan ni na Private Prosecutor Attorney Lorna Capunan at Defense Panel Attorney Christine Ferrer. Kwenisyon agad ng depensa ang pagiging competent witness si Sailin May del Campo, ang State Auditor mula sa Commission on Audit, Intelligence and Confidential Funds Audit Office o COA-ICFAO. Punto ni Attorney Ferrer, hindi maaring basta sumang-ayon ng depensa sa competence o kakayahan ni Del Campo na tukuyin at kilalanin ang mga exhibit ng prosecution.
Kasi hindi naman ho namin kilala ho yung taga-COA. Pangalawa, we don't know the extent of her examination of the documents. Pangatlo, she just assumed the work of Mr. Wamil. So, mahirap naman po sabihin nun ng kliyente namin, sige, okay na, we payag na kami, she can identify the exhibit, she knows all of those, she has examined all of those. Precisely, that's the duty of the counsel to do in open court.
Ayon kay Ferrer, hindi malinaw kung gaano kalalim na nasuri ni Del Campo ang mga dokumento dahil siya lamang ang sumalo sa trabaho ng dating State Auditor na si Attorney Roderick Wamil. Dahil dito, hindi raw maaaring ipagpalagay ng depensa na personal na nasuri ni Del Campo ang lahat ng dokumentong iprenesenta ng prosekusyon. Iginit din ng depensa na hindi nila obligasyong kilalanin o sang-ayunan ang authenticity o pagiging tunay ng mga dokumento ng prosekusyon. Sinabi pa ni Attorney Ferrer, korte pa rin ang magpapasya sa authenticity ng mga acknowledgement receipts matapos isumite ng prosekusyon ang kanilang offer of evidence.
We don't even need to compare the exhibits in order to expedite the proceedings because first of all, that's the authenticity of the exhibits is something that the court will have to decide. And the court will only decide on that after the prosecution has already submitted their offer of evidence.
Gayunman, nilinaw pa ni Ferrer na hindi tututol ang depensa sa paggamit ng prosekusyon sa Rule 130 Section 7, kabilang ang paghaharap ng buod ng mga dokumento, basta't sa ilalim ito sa cross-examination. Sa halip na isa-isahin ang libo-libong acknowledgement receipts, sinabi ng depensa na maaring gumamit ng sample exhibits o iba pang paraan para mapabilis ang pagdinig.
We will not even object as to how many exhibits you will identify or you will have as samples, kahit 10 per quarter or kahit 100 or kahit wala, so that they can use Rule 130 Section 7. And if properly done, I think they can identify or they can finish all 1 quarter in less than 10 minutes. I'm talking about that. No, I'm talking about that based on experience. So, Your Honor, we don't object to their implementation of Rule 130 Section 7 as to the manner by how they will do it.
Ang posisyong ito ng depensa ay lumabas patapos igit ng private prosecutor na kailangan nilang magkasundo sa ilang dokumento upang mapabilis ang impeachment trial. Ayon naman kay Attorney Capunan, ilang beses sinubukan ng prosekusyon na makipag-ugnayan sa depensa para pag-usapan ng stipulation o mga bagay na maaari ng pagkaisahan kaugnay ng mga ebidensya.
Na-indyan po kami. Wednesday, we made a text message and I have the text messages here. When do we meet? Tomorrow or Friday? Wala pong sagot nung Wednesday. On Thursday, we waited the whole day. Kailan tayo magmi-meet? Thursday na ngayon. Friday na bukas. Our witness will be on board on Monday. Wala pa rin sagot, Your Honor. The whole day of Thursday. At the end of Thursday, at the end of office hours, they texted, counsel for the respondent texted to say, we are available on August 14.
Dahil dito iminungkahi ni Capunan na gamitin na lamang ng prosekusyon ang mga exhibit ng depensa upang hindi na maantala ang paglilitis. Ngunit hindi ito sinang-ayunan ng defense panel. Para kay Attorney Ferrer, walang saysay ang paggamit ng exhibit ng depensa kung hindi naman napapatunayang competent ang testigo ng prosekusyon na kumilala at magpatunay sa mga dokumentong iyon.
It doesn't matter if they will use our own exhibits, Your Honor. It doesn't even make their witness competent. That is why we are here in open court to establish the competence. So kahit pagamitin ho namin yung exhibit namin, kung hindi naman ho competent yung witness nyo to identify those exhibits, it will still be a waste of time.